Hello students, welcome to our class, and today I will explain you these three topics: header and footer, word art and table. So let's move on our today's lecture. So first of all, just observe this title bar, student. Here document 1, that means document 1 is the name of the file. Document 1 is the name of our document. So but if we save this document, so I press the key Control S. I press the key Control S from keyboard. Then save. I save this document on the desktop. So I click on this desktop, and here I give the file name test. Okay. Then click on the save button. Then just observe here test.doc. So here our file name is test. Understand, because we save this file as a name, say test as a name test. Understand? Then today I will explain you how to insert the header and footer. So what is header and what is footer, student? So you know, most of the books here on the footer of the page, this is the first page and this is second page. Name of publication or name of subject. You can see the name of publication or name of footer as a header, and in a footer here page number 1, then 2. So here this is our footer and this is our header. Header is not a heading of the document. Just see here. For example, write here some text. For example, computer and its devices. This is our heading. So I select this text, center align, click on the center align button, then increase the size, change the color, or just bold. Okay. Then type some lines. Computer is an electronic device. Okay. So for saving time, I just copy this line, copy and paste multiple times. Copy, paste, then paste. Okay. Then so this is my heading. I just underline this heading, select and click on this U, underline. Okay. So but if we insert the header, so just observe carefully. To insert the header, this is our ribbon, and here tabs, insert tab, click on the insert tab, then click on the footer option. Where is header? Sorry, first we insert the header. So this is a header option. Click on this header. Here are some options. You want to header on the left hand side or middle or right hand side of the page. So click any one option. I click on the first option. So header, as a header we will give the name of publication. For example, or let's learn. Okay, this is my header. So just observe, this is heading. Heading is a below of the header. Header means header is appear on the upper part of this page, that is above the margin, above the upper margin. Okay. Then now we will insert the footer. So click on the insert tab, then click on the footer option. Where is footer? This is footer option. Click select any style and type. Mostly as a footer, page number, PAGE, page 1. We will give the page number as a footer. Okay. So this is our footer and this is header. So to see the if we want to take a printout of this page, so first of all check your settings, check your appearance of the page. So just click on the Control P button from the keyboard. Then this is your page. So here let's learn is a header. Computer and its device is our heading. This is our document, and page 1 is on the footer. It's clear, student? Now just check the settings, check the appearance of your page and click on the print option, and then check all the settings for printing. Then at last click on the print button, click on this print option to take out the hard copy of this page, It's clear? Then here no need to take the printouts. Now our next heading is a word art. So what is a word art feature? So just here we will insert any heading. So click on the insert tab, then word art. This is a word art. Okay, click on the word art. Here some styles. So I select this style. Okay, now type your heading, or if you want to type your this heading, then select the heading using the mouse, then control X for cut. When I press the control X button after selecting, then you can see the heading is deleted. Okay, then click here and control V. So this is our heading. You can move this header where you want to move. Here, make some space. Okay, so this is our heading. Understand? Again I repeat it. Insert, then header, word art, then select, then click here your headings. So heading 1, I give this heading 1. Understand? Again I repeat. Click, make some space here after entering, then click on the insert tab, then word art, then click on this style, heading 2. You can move below this heading as you can increase the size, you can change the position of this heading. Understand? So this was the word art, different word art feature here. Again I show you here word art features. Okay, you can choose any heading. Okay, then first make a space, then delete this text. Heading 3. This is your heading 3. Just adjust these headings, move this heading where you want to move. You can move here, below of the documents. Okay, so this is your heading 3. Got it? Then our next topic is table. Insert the table. So I control A for selecting complete document. When I press the control A button, then complete document is selected. Then press the enter key. Press the delete key for deleting the document. Now I will explain you how to insert the table. If you want to insert your timetable, and this is your homework also. Insert your timetable, and in your timetable Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, total 6 days. That means 6 plus 1, 7 row you need. So insert, click on the insert tab, then here table, this is your table. Then 1 row extra you need, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and number of period, first period, then second period, third period, fourth period timetable. We just make a fourth period timetable. Okay, so before first click on this box here. This is a box, and just move this table below. Okay, and you can adjust the size of this table. So first give the heading. So move your table below. Here click time Table, timetable. Select. This is timetable is a heading, so move in the center of the page, then increase the size, then you can change the color or bold. Okay, then click here, days, or just leave this cell. One thing again, these horizontal lines are rows, this vertical columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows, and individual, this is a cell. Intersection of the row and column is called the cell. So remove first cell, and here Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. First period, second period, third period and fourth period timetable. English, then second period Hindi, then maths, then computer. Okay, again type the actual timetable here, but for saving a time I just copy and paste, copy and select the complete table and Control V, that means paste. Okay, then if you want to formatting this table, so select your heading, select the color, give the appropriate color, center align, then set the size, just 14, bold. Okay, select the column of the heading, days, then size 14 and bold. Okay, then select the remaining part of the remaining text, and then click on this center option. Size 12. In this way you can format this table. Okay, if you want to give a specific design, then you can give. Select the complete table. If you want to increase the font size of this document, then select complete table and click on here, increase the font. Okay, if you want to give the underline of this timetable, so select and click on this U or Control U. Understand, student? I hope you understood. Today I explained you the header and footer, word art and timetable. Insert the timetable, then entering the text on the timetable, then formatting the text. We have format the table. So okay, if you have any query, you can message me. I hope you understood. In the next lecture, I will explain you the feature, what is Excel and features of the Excel, functions of the Excel. Till the time, bye bye. Goodbye, student.